Hey guys, did you know your lungs are like tiny superheroes? They work non-stop to keep you alive. Let's dive into 5 cool facts about your respiratory system. 1. Your lungs are bigger than you think. Your lungs are actually about the size of a football field when spread out. Can you believe that? 2. Your nose is a super filter. Your nose is like a tiny air purifier. It filters out dust, germs, and even pollen before they reach your lungs. 3. Breathe deep, stay calm. Taking deep breaths helps your lungs work better and can even reduce stress. Try it now. 4. Your diaphragm is a muscle hero. Meet your diaphragm. This muscle helps you breathe by pushing air in and out. It's like your lungs' personal cheerleader. 5. Protect your lungs. Your lungs are precious. Avoid smoking, pollution, and practice good hygiene to keep them healthy. So there you have it, 5 awesome facts about your lungs. Remember to take care of them and keep breathing. Let me know in the comments if you learned something new.